temperature was 29. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Knox County until 1:15 a.m. At 12:28 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Abingdon, or 7 miles south of Galesburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Galesburg and Knoxville around 12:35 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Watauga. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 39 and 55. At midnight in Peoria.